this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. All right, now join with me in a closing affirmative prayer. And know this truth with me. There is but one God, one mind, one power. That power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is flowing through me. Here today I turn loose of every idea of lack or limitation. I let go of every smaller idea about myself. Here now I rise up to the truth for myself. I rise up and see myself as God sees me, not as wounded, not as a victim, but here in life powerful, here in life as dynamic, here in life to bring comfort and aid, a better idea for myself, for my family, my friends. God has called me forth, and this day I am saying yes to all the great good God had in mind for me when it set me forth here in this earth. I know I'm powerful. I know that the power and glory of God is flowing through me. And so today I say yes to it all. This is my truth. I celebrate, I rejoice in this right idea, and I release it into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.